Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about is how you use your equipment. In this case, this is just obviously a kitchen chair that we pulled out from our house. Now, it's very important that whenever you're using equipment like this, you do it to your benefit so that you don't get in, the chair doesn't get in your way or the client's way. So all the time when we're working with a chair, I'll think about where I want the back to be and how I best use it so I support the client and make sure that it doesn't drive me mad by just getting it in the way between me and the client's back or the client's arm. So in this case, we put the chair back forward so that Darren can use it to lean on. So then it's just a nice prop. If we were working at the side, I would actually get the chair back over that side so that I could support all the time. We get it out of our way. That way, whenever I'm working at the side or at the front, I have access to Darren without any dramas. So have fun with that, because all the time you're working, you can make it easy for your client and make it easy for yourself, and that way you look more and more professional, and the 5 or 10 minutes you spend looking after your friend will be well spent. So have fun, and we'll see you again soon.